So today I'm making punch. So check out my ingredients. Check them out. This is molasses, ripe plantain, ripe banana. So I have a portion of the ripe banana blend already. So, and this, I'm gonna make it in. And over on the stove, I have some pumpkin. Where's Shane? Alright. Welcome. So now this is the thinking tool and the pumpkin. Thinking tool and pumpkin. See? I forgot to show you the thinking toe fruits. So this is the thinking toe fruits. And guys, please remember to wash your peanut, because I'm going to wash my peanut before I blend it. Because when you go to town and so you see them take them and mingle up with it, and you mingle with money and the place dirty and so. So make sure you wash your peanut good. I remember I boil the thinking toe with the pumpkin. Right? Yep. So I'm going to show you how it look when it's done. And please guys, remember to get your Sahai all natural, all purpose seasoning, a jerk seasoning and hot pepper and powder seasoning. And it soon be available in store near you. So right now you can call me and order, and if you're living in Rollington Town area, you can get it at any supermarket in Rollington Town. Okay? Yeah. You can just Google Sahai All Natural and you will see my information there. We do delivery and we deliver island wide and worldwide. Okay? Thank you. And please subscribe to my page, because I will be coming out with some nice cooking. Yes, this is it. We're in it. We're getting into it. So I'm blending up some of the something them already. So it look. And I blend up them now and add to it. So I'm gonna show you how it look when I finish. And these are the peanuts. Yo. This are peanut and some of this in the blender now. So I soon show you what going on, okay? Okay, I am finished making the thinking toe punch. See, this is how it look now. Okay, I had my nutmeg and my spice to it. Are you ready? Yeah! So check it out. If you have back problem, if your wood can't stand up, if you can't work long, this is the way to go. Thinking toe punch with peanut and pumpkin and all this stuff that I show you. So when it's done, it's supposed to have a nice creamy taste. It's supposed to taste like ice cream. Yeah. Yeah! May I come there? So, yeah, this is it.